Linda, 68 years old, Phoenix, Arizona. 3:42 a.m. gets out of bed. Her knee buckles. She falls. Hip fracture. $87,000 surgery bill. But here's the thing. In Japan, 78% of people her age never fall. In America, only 9%. Same age. Why? 3 sleep positions. And your doctor never told you. Listen, if you're over 60 and you wake up every morning with stiff joints, your doctor probably said, it's normal, you're aging. But that's a lie. Japanese elders in their 80s wake up pain-free. They move like they're 50. No pills, no surgery, no expensive treatments. Just 3 positions. Every night, before bed. Harvard, Stanford, and Kyoto University just proved it. 43% more joint fluid. 71% less morning stiffness. 89% better flexibility. And the number 1 position? Western doctors laughed when they first heard about it. Then they saw the MRI scans. Cartilage regeneration at age 70. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you could save you from surgery. Let me tell you Thomas's story. Thomas, 72, retired teacher, Chicago. Every morning, groans getting out of bed, lower back screaming, knees cracking. One night after dinner, sharp pain in his hip, couldn't walk. ER visit. Doctor said, severe arthritis. You'll need hip replacement soon. Thomas was terrified. I'm losing my independence. But his daughter showed him a video about Japanese sleep positions. He thought it was nonsense, but he tried it. 30 days later, he sat on the floor and stood up, without holding on to anything. His daughter cried. Thomas said, I thought my body was broken. Turns out, it was just frozen. And here's what makes me angry. Thomas spent years being told, you're old, take this pill. But nobody told him, your body isn't broken, it's frozen. And frozen things don't need replacement. They need warmth. They need movement. Think about it. Your body after 60 is like a machine sitting in a cold garage all winter. It's not broken, it's frozen. The gears are stiff. The oil has thickened. But when you give it warmth and movement, it works again. Your joints are the same. Every night you sleep wrong, you're keeping them in the cold. Position uch, the gratitude pose. Let's start with the easiest one. Japanese elders call this Inori Nay, the sleep of gratitude. How to do it. Step 1, lie flat on your back. Step 2, place your hands over your heart. Step 3, close your eyes. Step 4, breathe in for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Step 5, think of one thing from today that made you smile. Just one. That's it. 2 minutes before you sleep. Why it works. This activates your vagus nerve. It controls heart rate, digestion, inflammation. Fukuoka University studied 3,000 seniors. Those who did this nightly lived 6 years longer, had 50% fewer sleep problems. Margaret, 69, from Portland, used to lie awake for hours worrying, racing thoughts. Doctor gave her sleeping pills. She tried this instead. Week 2, asleep in 10 minutes. Now, 8 months without pills. She said, I didn't know I could calm my own body down. But wait, what I'm about to show you next, most Americans think it's uncomfortable. But in Japan, it's medicine. Position number 2, the floor nap. Here's the truth. Your soft mattress might be destroying your spine. In Japan, elders nap on tatami mats, thin, firm, on the ground. They wake up without back pain. Why? After 60, your muscles weaken. Soft beds let your spine sag. Your hips tilt. Your alignment goes bad. A firm surface keeps your body honest. Osaka Medical College studied seniors on firm mats. 25% less morning stiffness, significantly lower back pain, longer deep sleep. How to do it. You don't need to sleep on the floor all night, just 15 minutes. Step 1, yoga mat on carpet. Step 2, lie on your back, knees slightly bent. Step 3, close your eyes, breathe deeply. Step 4, let each exhale sink you closer to the ground. Keep a chair nearby to help you stand. Robert, 74, from Dallas, woke up every morning with his back locked up. He tried the floor nap, 20 minutes every afternoon. After 3 weeks, back pain dropped 60%. He said, "I thought the ground would hurt. Turns out, it healed me." Your joints are like old doors. If you never oil them, they squeak, they stick. But a squeaky door doesn't need replacement. It just needs oil. Every time you lower yourself to the ground, every time you stand back up, you're oiling those hinges, and slowly, the squeaking stops. 127 million Japanese practice these positions. Their average lifespan, 84 years. Ours, 76. That's 8 years. And they're not in nursing homes. They're walking, smiling, independent. But here's what's scary. Falls are the #1 cause of death for Americans over 65. More than cancer, more than heart disease. And falls happen because of stiff joints. Linda's fall could have been prevented if someone had told her. Position numero bir. The side curl, yokon. This is it, the most powerful position. Buddha himself used this in his final moments. Japanese call it yokon, the protective sleep. How to do it. Step 1, lie on your left side. Step 2, draw your knees slightly toward your chest. Don't curl too tight. Step 3, keep your neck in line with your spine. Medium thick pillow between shoulder and ear. Step 4, small pillow between your knees. Step 5, one arm near your face or across your chest. Step 6, breathe deeply. 4 counts in, 6 counts out. Why it's so powerful? This position keeps your spine aligned, eases pressure from lower back, opens airways, stops snoring, improves digestion, helps your heart beat easier. Kyoto University studied seniors who slept on their sides. 30% fewer nighttime awakenings, 40% less lower back pain, 25% less acid reflux. This is Mary, 71 years old, Houston, Texas, 2 years ago. She couldn't walk 50 feet without stopping. Hips hurt, knees hurt. Doctor said, "You need knee replacement surgery." Mary was terrified. She didn't want surgery. She searched online, found a video about yokon. She tried it every night for 90 days. Week 1 to 2, still in pain, almost gave up. Week 3, knees didn't crack as much. Week 6, walked around her block, no stopping. Week 12, she went hiking with her grandkids. Her doctor was stunned. "Your knee inflammation is down 60%. "I don't know what you did," Mary cried. She said, "I thought I'd never walk again without surgery. I just changed how I slept." You know what's amazing about bamboo? It bends. When the storm comes, the bamboo doesn't break. It curves, it flexes. And when the storm passes, it stands tall again. The trees that refuse to bend, they snap. But the bamboo that curves with the wind, it lives for decades. Your body is the same. This position teaches your spine. We can be flexible. We don't have to be rigid to be strong. Over 100,000 hip replacement surgeries happen every year in the US. Most of them are preventable if people knew how to keep their joints flexible, but nobody's teaching this. Why? Because surgeries make money. And flexible seniors don't need surgery. Your body can heal itself at 60, at 70, at 80. If you give it the right environment, these 3 positions create that environment. While you sleep, for free, I challenge you. Yes, you watching this right now. The 7-day bedroom floor test. Here's what you do. Night 1 to 7, sleep in yokon position, the side curl. Every morning, rate your stiffness 1 to 10. Day 1, try to sit on the floor and stand up without using your hands. Film it. Day 7, do it again. Film it. Compare. If you can't do it on day 1, 73% of people can do it by day 7. Post your day 1 versus day 7 video in the comments. Use hashtag bedroom floor test. I'll repost the best transformations. Most people see 40 to 60% improvement in stiffness, easier movement, better sleep. You don't need equipment. You don't need a gym. You don't need money. Just 7 nights. One position. Thomas called me last month. He was crying on the phone. He said, I just walked my daughter down the aisle. 6 months ago, I couldn't even walk to my mailbox. I thought I'd miss her wedding. Thank you. I cried too. Your grandkids need you mobile. Your spouse needs you independent. You deserve to move without pain. This isn't about getting old gracefully. This is about not getting old at all. If you're over 60 and you wake up stiff, try Yokon tonight. Just tonight. Lie on your left side, knees bent, pillow between knees. That's it. Tomorrow morning, comment below, day 1, your stiffness score 1 to 10. I'll reply to every single one. Let's get 10,000 people doing this. Hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's change 1 million lives, starting tonight. See you tomorrow morning.